Welcome back to my little mini series on the bones. If you missed the other two videos, I will drop those links in the comments for you. Be sure to check that out. This week, I am going to be talking about some vitamins and minerals. Last week's video, I did mention having a healthy, balanced diet. Unfortunately, even if you are eating as healthy as you possibly can, our food just doesn't have what it used to have in it, and it's not as full of vitamins and minerals because of different things in our environment, like farming practices aren't all what they used to be as far as rotating crops and making sure that we're not just leaching things from the soil. There's lots of things that go into play there, but just know that if you eat some broccoli today, it's not as nutritious as it was like 50 years ago. So you want to supplement your diet with vitamins and minerals. But I always use those terms interchangeably. I didn't realize that there was a very important difference to note, so I thought I would share that with you guys in this video today. Vitamins are considered organic substances, which means that they contain the element carbon. That's how scientists kind of identify things as living, if they have carbon. And minerals are inorganic substances, meaning they don't have carbon. They come from the earth. So minerals become actually part of our tissue structure in our body, like our bones and our teeth. And they can even help our body maintain an acid-base balance. So if you don't know anything about pH, acidic and alkaline, that's kind of what they're talking about there. And it helps to keep the body balanced. You do not want your body to be acidic. That is where lots of nasty diseases thrive. You want to make sure that your body is at least neutral, even on the alkaline side. And you can achieve that by lots of ways. Mostly it's by the food that you're eating. These minerals also help regulate body processes like our different enzymes that we use to digest our food. They help to submit the transmissions for our nerves and muscle contractions, and they help to release energy from food. So they have a lot of important jobs, and it's really key to make sure that you're getting those into your system because some of them are not stored by the body and you have to continually put them in. The body is not able to keep up with the demands oftentimes. So a fun fact that I found in my research, it's actually from OSU and we're now in Oklahoma. So I was like, oh! So minerals don't burn and they can actually be found in ashes. So little fun fact for you there. Vitamins do apparently and minerals don't. Didn't know that. So the first mineral that I'm going to talk about is boron, and that helps to assimilate calcium in your bones. So it's found in lots of foods. You can even drink it like prune juice, avocado, raisins, peaches, grape juice, apples, pears, peanuts, peanut butter, and beans are all great sources of the element boron. Another element that you want to make sure you have, I'm sure you've heard of it. They always talk about it like on milk commercials, calcium. Calcium is great for bones, but something that's has to be in kind of combination with calcium that is not mentioned as often is magnesium. Magnesium helps in the formation of bone, and it actually kind of goes hand in hand with calcium to help your body absorb it better. Magnesium is found in apples, apricots, bananas, brown rice, figs, garlic, kelp, millet, black eyed peas, salmon, tofu, nuts, green leafy vegetables, and whole grains. And then I also just wanted to mention one vitamin, vitamin D, helps the body to absorb calcium. So you can get vitamin D naturally from being outside in the sunshine. You can also take different supplements. You just have to make sure that the supplements you're taking are being absorbed properly by the body. A lot of times we take supplements and they're not properly absorbed because it's not the right conditions or it's not the right time or your body's overwhelmed. I've just recently learned that taking a ton of supplements all at once is actually really harmful for your liver, and it's actually very wasteful because if your body can't use something in the time that you ingest it, it has to get rid of it. And a lot of times when you're taking a ton of supplements all at once, your body can't break it all down. It stresses out your liver, kind of creates like this bottleneck effect where all of these things can't be broken down properly. So your body just gets rid of it and you don't have those benefits of the vitamins and minerals that you're taking. So if it's possible, it's better to spread them out throughout the day. Maybe you have one that's a dosing of 2 pills. You take one with breakfast and then another one a few hours later when you have a snack or at lunchtime. So you're spreading it out and you're giving your body time to break it down instead of cramming it all in at once. So hope you got some value from that. Again, if you missed the other videos, find them in the description, and I will see you next week.